Hello, this is my latest build of the Nibble 65. I haven't built a Stargate keyboard for a long time. This build is not for me actually. I built that for my partner and I hope she will enjoy it. And now you will see me struggling on a typing test because I haven't used the Stargate keyboard for a long time. I mainly use ortholinear keyboards. So let's go. A bit better than I expected. For this build I used the Gateron Ink Yellows. They're quite light for my tastes, but I like the sound, and I'll demonstrate that. This is the spacebar. The only thing that is looped are the stabilizers. And I use Durox stabilizers.